Good morning, students. How are you all? And welcome back to our classes. And today we are going to learn a new lesson named The Boy Who Broke the Bank. See, children, see the title once again, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author. So, before that, tell me about rumors. Students, do you know about rumors and how fast they spread? So why? Because I am asking about rumors means the lesson also deals with that the word rumor. So if we go through the lesson, we can able to understand the meaning why the rumor have given in this lesson. And come back to the introduction part. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer, a poet, and he is fond of writing children literature. And he was born on 19th May 1934, and he was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for the novel Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. So I repeat once again, students. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992 for the work Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. It is an English novel, students, and he also awarded Padma Shri in 1999 and Padma Bhushan in 2014. And his first novel is The Room on the Roof. Students, it is a famous work and first novel. It was written when he was just 17 years old. So the title is The Room on the Roof. And some other works, if we see, A Flight of Pigeons and The Blue Umbrella. And here look into that word, the novel The Blue Umbrella. It is made into film, students, and it is also got national award for the best children film. And here the first novel, The Room on the Roof, deals with the experience of the writer where he rented on the roof in Dehradun with his friends. So it also revolves around that experience of his own. Okay, students, and if we enter into the lesson, the present title, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, deals with a boy who named Nathu, a sweeper boy in a bank at People Nagar. So here there are some characters. In that, main character is Nathu, a sweeper boy who works in a bank. So here in the beginning, the sweeper boy complains about his job, that he is not paid his regular salaries. So he wants to quit that job and he wants to join in a new job. So that is why he informs to his friend Sitaram. Here Sitaram is one more character and a friend of Nathu. The Sitaram is a son of washerman, and that Sitaram also promises that, okay Nathu, definitely I will help you in your new job. So in the next day morning, Sitaram goes to Mr. and Mrs. Srivatsava, who is in a need of a sweeper boy. So his friend Nathu is able to work at her home. He informs like that. But Srivatsava, who is in a need of a sweeper boy, asks Sitaram that why the boy wants to work here. Is he working anywhere? Like that she wants to know the information. Then immediately Sitaram informs that yes ma'am, Nathu boy is working in the People Nagar bank and now he wants to quit the job. Why? Because the People Nagar bank is not able to pay his regular salaries. So that is why he is planning to join in a new job. So that is why I am informing my friend is ready to work at your house. So after listening to Sitaram's words, Srivatsava informs to her friend Mr. and Mrs. Bhushan. She informs like, do you know Mr. and Mrs. Bhushan, our People Nagar bank is not able to pay salaries to the employees, and all the employees are planning to quit the job. So likewise the rumor will be going on spreading. So after listening to Srivatsava's words, Mr. and Mrs. Bhushan also informs. So after hearing to that, Mrs. Bhushan also informs her husband like, do you know our People Nagar bank went bankrupt and it is not able to pay regular salaries to their employees. So after listening to his wife's words, Mrs. Bhushan's husband also informs to their friends. Likewise, the rumor will be going on spreading from one person to the other person, at the last to whole town. So after listening to these words, the customers who deposited their money in that People Nagar bank immediately rushes to the bank and wants to collect their money back. And after that they tries to damage the bank, glasses, furniture, everything, as well as the reputation of the bank. So after that, in the morning, Nathu again comes for sweeping the bank. By seeing all the damaged pieces and broken pieces, furniture, everything, he thinks that what is the reason for all this mess happened here, like that. And he also thinks that uh, would I get my salary or not, like that he thinks. So students, here he doesn't know why it has happened like that and what is going on in about the bank's information. So students, this is some information about that lesson, and if we go through the uh, paragraphs wise, we can able to understand very clearly. Students, in our next class I will go through the paragraphs also. Meanwhile, you uh, make notes on introduction part and about the lesson, students, and I will send the pics also. And before that, again once again I would like to recall the information about introduction part. So the title, The Boy Who Broke the Bank, written by Ruskin Bond. He is an Indian author and a poet, and he was born on 19th May 1934, and he was fond of writing children literature. He awarded Sahitya Academy Award in the year 1992 for the novel Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. It is an English novel, students, and he also awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. And his first novel is The Room on the Roof, was written when he was just 17 years. And the other works, if we see, The Blue Umbrella and The Flight of Pigeons. If we see this title, The Blue Umbrella, it was made into a film, students, and it also got National Best Award for Children's Film. Okay, this is the information, students. You make notes. Thank you.